How to check in on Frontier Airlines using the app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Frontier Airlines app. Make sure you have app installed in your device. Now, what you can do is simply in the first page, home, at the bottom left corner of your screen, click on check in, which is already booked your trip, check in. After you click on check in here, add your last name and the confirmation code. After you've added the confirmation code, press on search and you will find if you have booked in. In my case, I have not, so there's no option, but if you click on search, you will find all the information. And this is how to check in on Frontier Airlines using the app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.